it's important to remember as the human race that we are one, meaning we share an origin and we share natures, we share everything. And you'll find that with my projects, there's a recurring message that we come from the same place, we are together. Everyone is African if you look back far enough. You'll find that it is an echoing and a strengthening of the core essence of us as humanity. And you'll find that this is the communication that I polish and refine each year. The first time I entered the Wits University Awards, it was with the project Spirit of Africa. That was my first one. The second time it was Legacy of Africa. And the third one is African Gold. And you'll find that I refine my projects, and sometimes, like with this time, I unrefine them. I lessen the editing, I make it so that it is as raw an image as possible, or I might even slightly worsen the image if you look closely. Not necessarily by degrading the quality, but by adding the grain or the texture necessary to give the raw material feel, the unrefined feel, the ore, the oil, the uncut diamond feeling to the photo. And my hope in sending out this message is that I can make someone remember with a quiet whisper where it is that they come from and where it is that we all come from, to bring back a person to the oneness that we are.